To understand how peptides work, think of them as messengers that deliver important information to various cells in our body, helping to regulate all sorts of biological activities. When peptides interact with cells, they bind to specific receptors on the cell surface. These receptors are specialized proteins that recognize and respond to certain signals. Think of these receptors as unique locks, while the peptides are the keys. When the correct peptide binds to its receptor, it triggers a series of actions inside the cell. This can lead to a cascade of events within the cell, kicking off various biological processes. One common way peptides work is through what is called signal transduction pathways. Peptide binds to the receptor. The peptide attaches to the receptor on the cell surface. Receptor activation. The binding activates the receptor. Signal transmission. The activated receptor sends a signal to the cell. Cellular response. The cell responds by doing things like turning genes on or off, producing new proteins, or changing its shape or movement. A good example of how peptides work is insulin, a peptide hormone central in regulating blood sugar levels. When you eat, your blood sugar levels go up. In response, your pancreas releases insulin into your bloodstream. First, binding. Insulin binds to the specific receptors on the muscle and fat cells. Next, glucose uptake. It triggers these cells to absorb glucose from the blood. Finally, storage or use. The glucose is either stored for later use or used immediately for energy. Peptides perform the following functions. For muscle growth, peptides stimulate protein synthesis. For skin health, peptides promote collagen production. Immune response, peptides act as a signaling molecule. For hormonal balance, peptides regulate hormone levels. And for weight management, peptides affect appetite and fat metabolism.